Hey, what's up? This is Chris on the longest way, trying to walk back from China to my home in Germany, in case you didn't know. And it's taken a long time, as long as my beard and my hair. And today is August the 18th, 2018. I'm here in Azerbaijan in a little town called Salyan. I'm in a hotel. It's my second resting day. I think I'm going to rest 4 days here. I really need it. And yeah, this is going to be a short video. I'm just going to say I got my laundry back, and it's so awesome. Like, for one thing, I don't have to wash by hand. I do that sometimes, you know, when I can't find anybody who lets me use their washing machine. And it's not terrible. It's sort of calming sometimes, you know, like you get all this stuff. I got a little box of washing powder, I got a little bowl, and I get some water, and I wash, you know, and I wash, but it takes a long time, and it's really like, when like in this hotel here, when they let me use the washing machine, it's so awesome, and you get back the clothes, and they were so sorry, like, I'm not kidding. In my normal life, you know, quote unquote normal at home, I don't know, it's really like, nothing is ever really dirty. Like, you take a shower just because you think like, oh, you should take a shower every day or something, or like you change your clothes because you're like, well, you know, I've worn them yesterday, I should wear new clothes today, but you really don't, it doesn't make much of a difference, does it? But here, man, after like 3 days on the road, everything is so smelly, even the hat is smelly. And to now have them back and they're clean, it's so awesome. To be able to sleep in a bed, it's awesome. So yeah. I'm sorry, the plastic bags are really loud. I'm so sorry. How's this here? Isn't that nice? That's not my room though. Hi people. If you liked the video, hey, I can say hello to you there. Hello. Can't even see me. Let's see. Is that better? If you liked the video, check out the blog. It's thelongestway.com, or share the video. Share it with somebody who needs to wash their clothes. Some of us do. It happens. Peace.